Hello, this is Ron with King Credit. Give you return the first 30 days. Look at this. February 17, 500 credit score. Go down. We have 4 negative account. We had over here Indigo, City Car. And go over here. And we have these 2 negative account. But look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Okay. Remember these 2 accounts. Open. Late payments. Charge off. Look at this, okay? I'm gonna go up. I'm gonna go up. February, this is 17. I'm gonna go to February 20. February 20, I'm gonna go up 61 point. Oh, delete it. It was 4, now it's dropped down to 2 in 3 days. Look at this. Look at this, man. This is the only thing that we got left. And it haven't been 30 days. If you follow my step, you're gonna see results fast. Look at this, man. Unbelievable. And then if you go over here in alerts, wait until it pop up. 1 second. Let's go to alerts. I'm gonna go over here back again. Credit report. Then I'm gonna go over here to alerts. It's gonna pop up in a moment. Boom. FICO score has increased 61 points. Come on, man. Change your life. This is what we do, man.